Hello everyone, and welcome. Today, we're diving into a truly fascinating question that sparks our imagination. Could a grizzly bear, that iconic symbol of North American wilderness, actually survive in the harsh, unforgiving Arctic? It's a thought-provoking idea, pitting one incredible creature against one of the planet's most extreme environments. When we think of grizzlies, we picture them roaming vast forests, fishing in rivers, and foraging for berries in mountainous regions. They are incredibly adaptable, powerful, and intelligent animals. But the Arctic, that's a whole different world, dominated by ice, snow, and the undisputed king of that domain, the polar bear. Let's break down the challenges a grizzly would face. First, there's the food. Grizzlies are omnivores, meaning they eat a wide variety of things: plants, roots, berries, insects, fish, and even larger prey. The Arctic, however, offers a much more limited menu. Trees are scarce, berries are seasonal and sparse, and the primary food source for large predators is often marine life, like seals, which grizzlies aren't typically equipped to hunt on ice. Polar bears, on the other hand, have evolved specifically to hunt seals, with their incredible sense of smell and patience. Then there's the climate. The Arctic is synonymous with extreme cold, blizzards, and long periods of darkness. While grizzlies have thick fur and can build dens for hibernation, their insulation isn't quite on par with a polar bear's. Polar bears possess a thick layer of blubber and a unique double coat of fur that provides superior warmth and water repellency, essential for surviving freezing temperatures and icy waters. A grizzly's fur, while impressive, would likely become matted and less effective in the constant damp and cold of the Arctic. Consider the habitat itself. Grizzlies thrive in varied terrain, from dense forests to open meadows. The Arctic is largely treeless tundra, vast expanses of snow and ice. Navigating this landscape, finding suitable denning sites, and moving efficiently would be a constant struggle for a grizzly, whose body is designed for different conditions. Their paws, while strong, aren't as broad and padded as a polar bear's, which act like natural snowshoes and provide excellent grip on ice. Now, here's where it gets really interesting. While a grizzly isn't built for long-term Arctic survival, nature sometimes throws us surprises. There have been documented instances of grizzlies venturing further north, particularly as climate patterns shift. And even more fascinating, there have been rare sightings of pizzly or growler bears, hybrids resulting from a grizzly and a polar bear mating. This tells us that, while their habitats are distinct, there can be some overlap, and genetically, they're close enough to interbreed. These hybrids often show a mix of traits, suggesting a partial adaptation to both worlds, but still not perfectly suited for either extreme. So, could a grizzly survive? For a short period, perhaps, especially in the more southern fringes of the Arctic, where resources might be slightly more varied. But to truly thrive, to establish a stable population, and to compete with the perfectly adapted polar bear, that would be an immense challenge. It's a powerful reminder of how evolution shapes creatures to fit their specific environments, creating incredible specialists like the polar bear, perfectly at home in a world that would overwhelm most others. It truly highlights the incredible diversity and resilience of life on Earth. Thank you so much for joining me on this exploration today. If you found this as fascinating as I did, please consider giving this video a like and subscribing for more journeys into the wonders of our natural world. We appreciate you being here.